Yeah, you have to blue color. Your company code is not assigned here, no?
Yes, sir.
Same as we did in K and K.
Hello. Yes. Yeah, I'm back. Huh? Yeah. So now, so that was step number 3, right? Step number 3. Okay. Next step number 4.
Yes, sir. Step number 3.
Sir, please show this step again.
See here. Here, click on the groups. Then select this. Your company code will be here at the bottom like this. Make it blue. Then you take this, add. Understand? Yeah. So it will come on top here. Like
Okay, sir.
save.
Yes, sir.
Next, step number 4. No. Maintain number range. Again, number range for business transaction. KOAO. Okay. For settlement purpose. Yeah, purpose. Okay, so the T code you know, na KNK. Yeah, you already know this. KANK. So what I will do, I will go to KNK. So we will go to KANK.
Sir,
Yes.
show me the notepad, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Click on the groups. Controlling area is PE. Click on the groups. And then here, what you do is you come down like this. And at the bottom, you have what? What it is? KOAO. Not assign. Yeah. This one. Actual settlement. Okay, make it blue. And then what you do? You add.
Click on the group.
Pick this. Add.
Click on element group. Add.
Save. Done, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. Next, what I do is step number 5. 5 is create order type. So you remember statistical order, we created the order type, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am creating the order type for real orders. Okay, no doubt. So go to KOT2. Click on the new entries. Then create the order category. Internal orders. Press
sir.
enter. Give the order type. What is my order type?
PSI.
Sir, can you go back?
All right. Okay. Give the order type TERA. My real internal order type. Okay, note. So here settlement profile I already created in the previous step SP. Budget profile I am giving. Object class is still overheads. then release immediately. Yeah, no, no, same way how we have done for the real statistical, same way you will do for the real also. Okay, no doubt.
How many fields here given, Savya?
What fields we are giving now? I have given only settlement profile, budget profile, overhead cost, object class, and release immediately. 4 fields I have. Then you see number range you not assigned, now it will ask in you.
Thank you, sir.
Here, after you save this, you click on the number range interval for this order type. So again, you want to create alphabetical, make it blue. For statistical also, you have created by name, and then for real also, you are creating by name. Add like this. So when I add, you see what will happen here. Here you see. So it has been assigned to that particular series.
Yes. Can I repeat again?
Alphabetical series. Okay.
Can I repeat again?
Yeah. So this is the same way as you have done in K and K, na ditto. Correct. So you select like this, tick this, and then you select the whatever you have created now, make it blue and add. Okay. So that was step number 4. Next. Step number 5. Sorry, 6. 5 we have completed, 6. Next, create orders now, right? Create real internal order in the name of annual day. In the name of annual. Yeah, no doubt. KO01. Yeah, no doubt. So I'm going to create a new internal order. That is the real order in the name of annual day. Clear, everybody? Okay, what is the T code? KO01. Okay, we go like this, /n KO01. You go like. Now create order, create order type is TESI or RI?
RI.
RI.
RI. Okay, click on the master data. Right, click on the master data and order. What is my order name? Can you tell me?
Annual day.
2020. Okay, now object class, everything I have given. So now here you can. No. So I'm creating by name or by number?
By name.
Name.
By name, right? Because we selected for number and we have selected by name in the order type. Now. So next thing what I will do, control data, nothing we have to do. Do not select this. If you select this, it will become again statistical. Now I am not creating statistical, I am creating real order. Okay, now. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on the settlement rule.
Sir, go to
Click on the settlement. No doubt.
assignment, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Now control data tab, no need to select this, yeah, because it's real order. Now you go to settlement rule, yeah. Note down everybody, click on the settlement rule. Now here you tell me here, how many lines are coming here? How many lines I can give?
10.
Add again, 10. So why I got 10 here?
Because there
Because
we
we are
got
given 10
only 10 cost
maximum.
centers distributed only for 10 cost
Yeah,
centers.
distribution
Distribution rule.
rules only 10 I have given. Huh? That's why
Yes,
10
sir.
cost center. My settlement receiver is, who are my receivers? Which cost centers is my receiver? F1. How much we are going to receive for this cost center? Whatever you give, yeah, percentage, equivalent amount, yeah, whatever you give, it will automatically settle. Okay. So now I am saying 25% each. Okay, CTR. Equally, we are dividing the annual day expenses. Okay. So I'm building the logic now actually.
Both are
Sir,
F100,
H100.
F1.
H100.
Okay, note down everybody. Hold on. So this is my settlement rule. I am going to divide like this, 25% each. The annual day, total amount, whatever is there, I will going to divide like this. Okay, that we call it as a settlement rule.
What is CTR, sir?
Cost center. Because we are setting now, what are these? What are these? S100.
Yeah, cost centers only, sir.
Correct. Okay, now save. Below warning, just press enter. So now you see order, annual day order is created. Okay, note down the message. Okay, so annual day order I have created. Now next what I do?
Used to be actually.
Post.
Yeah, post expenditure now for the real orders, correct? Yeah, post actual expenditures. One minute. Hold on, step number 7. Okay. So no, what is my real internal order? TEE AD.
Maybe 2022.
Yeah. So what is the T code? You know now always FB.
FB50.
So let me go to FB50. Company code TE, give the date like this. Okay, then now. So I'm paying all the expenses now. I'm incurring the expenses towards the annual day. Okay. So rent, I'm saying debit. Rent for the order.
Number, sir.
GL number, sir.
4 lakh.
Your amount is what? So rent, I'm saying rent we paid 10 lakhs rent, okay? For it's a big auditorium, we paid 10 lakhs rent. Okay, next. We paid what
Wages
else?
for temporary labor.
Yeah, temporary labor. How much?
2 lakhs.
Some number, yeah?
3,000.
4 lakh, okay? Then what else?
Insurance for 1 day.
Insurance for 1 day. For the event, insurance is for the event, okay? Okay, how much is the insurance cost? Say 2 lakh. Then what else we have?
Miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous 40080. Then and here miscellaneous is how much? Say a lot of miscellaneous, yeah, 8 lakh. So now will it ask me the cost object or not?
Yes, sir. It's long, sir.
Correct? What should I do here?
Internal order number.
Yeah, I'm not giving the cost center, right? Directly I'm taking the cost into order, right? What is my order name?
TELD 2020.
Okay. So one by one I have to. So all of them I'm giving same order or different number?
Same order.
Same order or different order?
Same order.
Sir, but yesterday we given for same like that number 1 truck number 2, but it didn't accepted now.
Sorry?
Yesterday we given same like that without cost center we given order ID. Truck number 1, truck number 2. But they didn't accept it.
This question is for everybody. Do you know what is this problem? What is his answer?
This is internal order.
This is real internal order.
Real
The
internal order.
Statistical and real internal order difference.
Statistical internal order.
In
For
statistical, it didn't accept, but in real order, it accepts.
Correct? Yeah, we discussed now this. Yeah. Right. So in case of statistical, you have to give the cost center, no? Correct? In case of real, you don't have to give the cost center. Is that clear? That is the difference between both. Both are not same. They are different, no? That is the difference. Okay, note down. Yeah, so total expenditure is how much now? 8 lakhs, no?
Bank account we did not give.
We have not given, no? Okay, let me give this. Credit, no? And put star.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of them I am not posting to the cost center, I am posting to the
Order. Internal order.
internal. Is it clear? So everything is fine now, even though there is no cost center, system is able to take the cost, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a real order. Is it clear, everybody?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think half of them are asleep.
No.
No, sir.
You need an
No, sir.
alarm.
Understand.
After lunch, na?
Yes, sir. I think that is feeling sleepy.
Heavy lunch, Sunday afternoon.
Sunday afternoon, heavy lunch and is a weekend, no, sir.
Yes.
Full biryani.
From Monday to Saturday, full work. At this time, they are in working time.
But you are more active during Monday to Friday, na? Full day you work and then evening also you are active. Sunday
That is
from
evening,
morning.
no, sir. It is
Sir,
the middle of
Sunday
the
we
Sunday.
don't be active.
Yes.
Mm.
Hello, sir.
Normal time they will not use it fully. But
Mine is
Sunday,
sir. Sunday is Monday.
I'm a night shift guy, sir.
Okay, so it is no big difference to you then. Mhm.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
There is any chance for maintain budget for order wise?
Next, that is the next topic. Okay. Yeah. Save. So now I have collected the cost now. Correct. So you see now check the order report. Okay.
KSB1.
Step number 8. Check for annual internal order day report. Right. Check for real internal order report. What is the T code? KOB1, right? Correct now? Order report is KOB1. Okay, so go to KOB1. Slash and KOB1. Okay. Now tell me, this is my order name, na?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what I have
Remove
to do.
the group. 4 lakh to 4 lakh.
4 lakh to 4.
Whatever number, yeah, doesn't matter. So how much I'm expecting to see in this order, annual day order?
24 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
24 lakhs. Now we spent 24 lakhs for the annual day, correct?
Yes, sir.
So execute now. Okay. Clear? Whatever
Yes.
money you are spending for an event, job, or task, you can clearly see it. Okay. Now what is the next one?
Cost center wise, we need to check.
Paid the amount.
Cost center wise.
Distribution, sir.
Distribution.
Settle. We don't call it as settlement. We don't call it as distribution because distribution is used for the cost centers. When you want to move from order to cost centers, we call it as settlement. Okay, right? No doubt. One minute. Yeah. So now next you do the order settlement. Annual day order settlement at month end. Okay. The T code is KO88. Yeah, note down everybody. So now I know total expenditure for annual day. Now what you do, I cannot leave the money in annual day now because it is an expenditure. I spend the money, right? Correct now.
Yes, sir.
And who benefited from that expenditure? All the cost centers. So they have to bear the cost. Correct?
Yes.
If this annual day expenditure affect my P&L? Yes, it will affect. Got it? Yeah. So that's why. So we need to have a right. So here KO88 we need to do the settlement. Yeah. So go to KO88. So slash and KO88. I'm doing the settlement. Right. So what we have to do? Whatever is collected, finally it would be settled to the cost centers because they are the ones who are benefited from the annual day celebrations. Correct. So they should bear the cost. Okay, note down here annual day settlement. Okay, so now settlement period, which period we are doing? 11th period,
11th.
right?
11.
Test run. Check transactional data, test run. Now, if you click on the settlement rule, it will show you what you have defined. Correct? This is what you defined, na? 4 cost centers. We are dividing equally, right? 50-50, 25%. Correct? Okay, so settlement
Yes.
rule is correct. Okay, no done. I'm doing the settlement. Okay, done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, today, what is the timing of classes? I mean, how many hours you are taking, sir?
We will see if another topic is there. If we can cover that, that would be better. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, execute settlement. You see? So it will divide like this. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got it now? So 6 lakhs each. But by cost element means what? It will divide each cost element wise. Like, not like this 6. Now rent is there. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Correct. Same way now miscellaneous is there. 8 lakh means it will divide it by 3. Okay. So you can see settlement rule is this. So that's why we have it like this. Okay. So now we know the annual day. We are settling to the cost centers. Okay. So now remove the
Test run.
test run. Yeah, and execute. Correct. So now if I go to my cost center, what is the equal to see the cost center report?
Yes.
KSB1.
ASB1.
KSB1, right? KSB1. Now before that, what is my order balance now?
0.
How I can see KO?
0.
B1.
B1.
B. KO B3.
B1.
Okay. Okay. So now let me see what is there. See how much is there?
0.
0.
So which means it has been settled to the cost center,
Cost
right?
centers.
Yes, sir.
Settled to the cost center. So how it is dividing? You see each one it is dividing 4 times. You see by cost element. So now what 10 lakh divided into 425, 250, 250, 250 like this. Correct. Same way, insurance divided into 50, 50, 50 like this. Correct. So it has settled to various cost centers based on the based on what settlement cost elements, right? Based on the cost elements. Understood, everybody? So first we collect the cost in a real order, and then we will settle it to the respective cost centers. Okay. Now, so if I go to my cost
Yes.
center,
ASB1.
KSB1, na? Okay, so now what is there now? S100, F100 to S100, right? Yeah, what is the cost element? 4 lakh to 40010. Correct? You can see. You can see. For all of them, you can see what happened. Correct now? So the month and you see they have been done at month end. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
This 2.5 lakhs you can see everywhere. Here also 2.5, here also 2.5. Every month, every cost center is bearing the cost 2.5. 10 lakhs divided by 4. Okay, clear everybody. This is the real internal order. Okay. Right. So you know the difference between statistical and real.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Yes, sir.
That is only for reporting purpose.
Sorry. Yeah.
This is for
Specific expense.
Report, sir.
Specific.
Yeah, actual cost incurred in cost center and
This is for a specific job, sir.
I want to collect the cost of a specific job, event, or a task. Correct.
Mm.
Yeah.
Sir, can we see any reference in this rent expenses? This is internal order related. This particularly 2,50,000.
So cost element, we will not have cost element. No way we can do that. Okay.
Okay. Sir, actually, while doing this configuration, we will go through path, right? After the actual postings in our servers, we cannot see the settlement option here.
Settlement optional.
Yes, sir. After the actual postings.
After actual postings, what is coming?
So there is no settlement option to the
Which
create.
screen?
No, in SPRO,
Mhm.
we will go controlling and internal orders and actual postings. After that, settlements, right? But there is no settlement option in our servers.
Really?
Yes, sir. It's showing only manual reporting of costs, manual reporting of revenues, repost line items, timesheet, activity allocation reposting, manual cost allocation, statistical key figures, and transfer of the external data, funds commitment. Those are under the actual postings.
Settlement is not there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Which version you are using?
It's on where we need
You are
to
not online. You are not using online server. Huh?
yeah, online server only, sir.
Online server. Okay. Yeah. So this you are able to see, right? Here you are not able to see the settlement.
No, sir. In our servers, we are not able to see.
Let me check if he has installed anything else. We will check once. Okay. But generally you should get.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that was the real internal order. Okay. Next topic is.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell.
Sir, yesterday I was trying to do the configuration for the assessment cycle, but I got an error that I'm not able to go in the receiver tab, receiving weighing factor tab. It was showing that no valid receiver entries exist. I tried to edit it by going in KSU2, but still I'm not able to go in that section.
Okay.
First, I have created in KSU1, so, and you said that we don't have to change anything, so that I just saved it as it is. But after that, after running the assessment cycle, it was showing that no sender and receiver values exist. Exist.
When you created the cost centers, process 1 and process 2.
Yeah, I have all created.
There's everything is ticked in control tab. So you have to remove the ticks.
Yeah, I have done that.
I got that error too, but after removing the tick, I got the assessment cycle run successful.
All the ticks do have to remove.
Yeah.
All the ticks. So yeah, yesterday I got the same problem with distribution cycle. So sir told me that you have to tick only one, and all those are, and the last ones are also ticked one.
So what was our cycle name?
Mine TSL1, TSL AC.
So what is their problem in here?
Sir, I am not able to go in the receiver weighing factor tab. The last one.
This one.
Yeah.
We never go now. We never go. No need to do that. Receiving weighing factor is in case there is any difference in the comparison.
but this showing that no valid receiver exists here. But when I'm trying to run the assessment cycle, execute it, so it was showing that your sender and receiver doesn't exist. The sender receiver interest doesn't exist.
No, here there is some mistake you are doing. Please check senders and receivers. Have you given correctly?
Yeah, sir.
Just check it once. Some problem is there, because if you give wrong here, then only it will reflect here. Okay.
Okay. I'll try it.
So now that was about the statistical internal order. Okay. Next topic that we have is
notepad. That's OMI notepad.
Okay, 1 minute now.
Yeah, in our server, we have settlement options in the SPRO.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, while creating recurring documents for my batch session is not being created, sir. I'm getting an error in green color that the session for February was not created like that.
Yeah, there's some problem. Batch session. See, when you are creating FBD1, you have to be careful. You should give it in the right way.
So what did you give in FBD1? Like starting first run?
First day of the fiscal year, 1st April 2021, and the last run date is
So here,
31st March.
Whatever you give here, that day you have to start actually. Okay, if I say October here, I will start with October. If I say November here, I will have to start. If I give before that.
Okay. So now I'm doing for February, so I have to give 1st February 2022.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm giving the first day of the fiscal year, so that's the reason I'm not getting.
No.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So the next topic that we have is the capital budgeting and availability control. Okay, no. Put the heading capital budgeting. Control. Okay, what is this? See what we have internal order, no? We have real orders, no? For real orders, what we can do, we can set up a budget. So we want to control the cost, no? I want to set up the budget, and that budget I want to have the control. How if the budget is crossing, then I need the system to do the warning. Correct, like that. So so this topic is a combination of budgeting and order. Yeah, real orders, right? So because real orders are there, I am able to collect the cost of a specific job, event, or a task. Correct. Imagine real orders are not there. How can I collect the cost? Correct. Yeah. So because real internal orders are there, we are able to collect the cost of a specific job, event, or task. Now, when I am able to collect, why not have a budget for it? And why not try to control the cost based on that budget? Correct. So you can provide a budget and you can set up availability limits to it, wherein we can say if it is below 70%, right? If you have used the amount below 70%, no, nothing. Now once it crosses above 70%, I want a warning. Once it crosses 90%, I want warning plus email. Correct. And then once it is crossing the boundaries like 100%, then I want to give a error, throw the error. Okay, this is the concept. So I want to have availability controls for my real orders with a budget. Is it clear? Yeah.
Sir, once repeat it now.
Yeah. See, capital budgeting is nothing but budgeting. So real internal orders, right? Using real internal orders, we can collect the cost.
Sir, it will not apply for the cost center.
Which one?
This budgeting and controlling.
No, this will apply for, this will apply for capital expenses. Correct. So your expenditure should be capital in nature.
Okay.
Understand? What do I mean by that? See, a company's normal business. The normal business is, say, motorbikes manufacturing, right? Like we have a Bajaj Motors. Correct. Yeah. So now, what you can do, you can set up. So suppose you are doing something else. You are creating. You are setting up a new sales office. Okay. So that expenditure related to that new sales office, you can collect separately. Correct. So you want to know. So that is the normal operating business is going on. This is a capital expenditure in nature. So the difference between operating and non-operating, that is capital, is if you stop the capital expenditure, business will not get affected. If you stop the operating expenditure, business will stop.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's why we cannot set up a availability control limits for normal operating expense, because we don't want to stop the business. Na? Yeah, so this is exclusively for non-operating capital in nature, where you can collect the cost. Once the cost has reached the maximum, you will stop. You can stop also. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why we don't apply it to the cost centers. Okay. Now, understood now, everybody? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Capital expenditure in combination with capital expenditure in combination with real internal order. Okay. Right. Now, let me see what are the steps we need to do. Okay, no doubt. So first thing what I want to do is we have to maintain the budgeting documents. Okay, maintain number range for the budgeting documents. Okay, no. So go to SPRO.
Sir, once repeat it, sir, topic.
Topic is capital budgeting and availability control, right? So what you can have is, you will understand once I am doing, you will understand. Now suppose we have setting up. Suppose we are setting up new sales office. Correct. Or this new sales office is a job basically, right? Event I talked about annual day. Now I'm talking about a job. To set up the new sales office, whatever expenditure is there for that new sales office, I want to capital expenditure. This is without new sales office also our business will run. Okay. Capital expenditure towards this, we want to collect it. Where I want to collect, I will create an order for the new sales office. Is it clear? Yeah. But what I can do is I can set up a budget for this job. So I can set up a budget for this job. Say the budget is suppose 10 lakhs. Okay. Right. So now I will set up availability controls. What do you call it? Availability controls. What availability controls I will set up? Once it is more than 70%, once the expenditure crosses more than 70% of budget, I want warning. Correct? I want the system to give me a warning. Once more than 90% of budget, I want the system to give the warning plus email. Next, more than 100% of budget. Correct. What should I do? Error. Sorry, you cannot post like that. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah. No, no,
Yes,
no.
sir.
No, no. So we want to set up that limit so that we can control the order related expenditure. Okay. No. Okay, now step number 1, configuration. Maintain tolerance limits. For availability. Okay. Yes, no doubt. So we will go like this. Go to SPRO, reference IMG. Then we will go to internal orders, controlling internal orders. Then we will go to budgeting and availability control. Maintain, define tolerance limits for upload, everybody. Okay, done. Now click on this. To click on the new entries, I am doing like this. Okay, what is my controlling area T? My profile is general planner profile, no budget profile, general budget. Next, action. What action system has to take? Warning plus email or error message. Which one you want? Warning. When you should get the warning when usage in percentage. How much when? 70%.
70%.
Now action number 2, correct? Warning plus email. Correct now? When it is 90%. Correct. Transaction group, all transactions. Give all activities plus. Okay, now then what is the third one I want to maintain?
Error.
Okay, so now So what is the warning message I want to give?
Error.
3, no? Last. When I should get this error?
100%.
More than 100%.
Then not done everybody. So tolerance limits I will set up like this. Okay, save. Next. Next step is specify exempt cost elements. Okay, now done. Step number 2, specify exempt cost. Exempt cost element means sometimes even though the budget is crossed, you will still allow certain cost elements like insurance is there. Even though budget is crossed, I will still insure. No, I don't want to take the risk, right? If there is a fire in the building, the whole building is a loss, right? So what we will do?
Yes, sir.
Right, we will have some exempt errors. So certain elements system will not ask. Okay, yeah. Okay, exempt cost.
Yes,
So go like this. Go back, same path, next step. Specify exempt cost elements and order. Exempt cost elements from availability cost. Click on this. Specify exempt cost element. This one. So new entries. Now insurance I want to exempt. What I will I'll give you. My cost element is insurance, right? What is the number? Correct. So this cost element is exempted from the availability control, right? It will auto, even the budget is crossed, it will allow you to post. That is exempt cost. Maintain budget manager. Yeah, next one. Please note down. Okay. Here I will put maintain budget manager. Maintain budget manager. Same path, next step. Okay. I'm going back. Maintain budget manager. Here you see. This is the one I am talking about. Maintain budget manager. Okay, click on this. Okay, now click on this. Maintain budget manager. New entries. Here I will give my controlling area TEE. What is my order type? Real order type?
TERI.
TERI, right? So give TERI here. And then here object class is override class. Whatever, yeah. Next, username is SAP. Okay, no. And then save. That was step number 3.
So this order type we can use every time, no, sir?
Yeah, real internal order type you can use.
Whenever we create real internal orders, we can use this.
Yes, exactly, correct.
Thank you.
Okay, maintain number ranges for budgeting documents. Is there any step like that here? Maintain number ranges for budgeting. On this, let's check once. Okay. We'll see if it is asking. We'll see. Right. Now I need an order. No? I have an order, right? I need an order, right? First thing I need an order. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So I need to create a real internal order for sales. New sales office. Correct now? Okay. So now how I will create an order?
KO01.
KO01. Yeah. Okay. Next, what I have to do? I have to declare the budget, na? Correct? Maintain, no done. One by one steps I'm writing. Maintain budget order wise. Correct? Maintain budget order wise. That is
Sir, first budget. First we can create budget actually.
No. See, budget
more than the order value is more than the budget.
Yeah. Now order value means what? This is not sales order, na? Okay.
No.
You will understand, right? First order, for that order, what is the budget? Yeah, first order has to be created.
Yes. Okay.
Now, so go here, go to 2022. Now here, what we do? We assign the budget, right? KO22. So, and then assign the budget, assign and activate the budget. Okay. No, hold on. Okay, let me go and create the order first. Slash and KO01. New sales officer. Okay, next. Go to control data. Do I need to tick this? No, right?
No, sir.
Because this is real. Na? This is real, right? Okay, now settlement rule. I'll say because I'm spending it for only one sales office. Na? So category obviously cost center. And what is my receiver? Because it's sales, na, I'll give S100. And total 100% I'm settling to only one cost center.
So please repeat once.
Okay, so this I have to settle na tomorrow. All orders I have to settle, right? Like annual day we settle na.
Yes, sir.
Now
Step
this,
only. Concept wise, okay, sir.
So only one cost center I am giving here because I am going to settle all the cost of this order into my sales
department.
That's why I am giving only one line. Okay. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
Yeah. So it is already created now. Right? So you create the order, and for that order, so we have done now. So many times we have done this, right? So already I have created the statistical order. Now I created 3 statistical orders. I created here. One real I created. This is the 5th order I am creating. Okay. And now that is the KO01. Next, what it is now, I want to post the expenditure, right? So I have to activate the budget here first of all. So what I will do now, I have to create the budget. I have to activate the budget, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. So note down, give the budget.
KO22.
KO22, correct. Maintain the budget. So go to KO22. Slash and KO22. So this is the order not for the cost center. No, it is for the sales order. The new sales officer. Yeah. It is not for the cost center. So overall budget is how much? Suppose overall budget is 20 lakhs. But each year wise, how much is the budget? So I'm saying this year, 2022, my budget, 2021 now we are in now, correct? This fiscal year, okay? So 2021 budget is how much? I'm saying 10 lakhs. So that is also 10 lakhs. total is also 10 lakhs. So we are not doing anything in the last year or previous years. So we are just doing this year only. Okay. So my this is equal to my total cost. Same. Okay. So
Sir,
now
repeat the step now.
less than overall budget, less than cumulative amount.
Sir, only for purchase sales office or budget 10 lakhs, sir. Other budgets are another, sir.
Huh?
Only for purchase sales offices, our budget is 10 lakhs, sir.
Correct. And to set up the new sales office. Okay.
Okay.
Our budget is
Total budget is another thing, sir. This is only for purchase set up sales office. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is for the order only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah?
Sir,
Yes.
once repeat this KO 22 now.
See, to set up this new sales office, this is a job now. I'm setting up a new sales office in one new place. To set up the new sales office, it's a job now. For that job,
Yes.
how much I'm spending, right? So that's why I've created an order for it. And every time I'm spending for that new sales office, I will collect in this order, real order.
Okay.
But for this order, I have set up a budget. How much is the budget? 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
Now, if that budget is crossing here, right? If it is crossing 70, then I want the controls also. Right? So now I have a new sales office. This is an order, real internal order. Correct. For this, there is a budget. How much is the budget? 10 lakhs. Correct. So now I am saying I have set up the limits like this, na control limits. 70 and above. Okay, tell me, give me the warning. Correct. 90 and above. What should I do?
Warning plus email.
Warning plus email. Correct. Good. Next.
100% and above.
100%. Yeah, 100%. Then error.
Error.
Correct or not? So I'm comparing this to this budget, na?
Yes, sir.
But when I'm posting, I will be posting to this order. Correct? Understood, everybody? Yeah. Okay. So now what I have to do? First, I have to activate the budget. So go to extras, availability control, activate. Okay. Note down, everybody. So this budget control you have to activate actually. So after you give the budget, you have to activate it. So now press enter, you see.
Sir, can you show again, sir?
Extras, availability control, activate. Okay. Now, again I am showing. Year 2020 is not supported. We have not given year 2020. No?
I'm sick.
Then you go to extras, availability control, activate. Okay, done. Save. Next. So everything is ready now. Now I will start posting the entries. I want to check whether this is working or not. Okay. So I have an order, I have the budget for it, and I have the limits also for it. Correct? Yeah. Now. So now one more thing what we have to do is we have to maintain the budget manager. Budget manager means you have to give to whom it will be going. Now. I don't think, have we maintained that? Just let me check once. Here, controlling. Internal orders, actual postings, settlement. What is it?
Sir, we should go to budget.
Maintain budget manager, na?
Budgeting.
Budgeting, yeah, here, correct. Maintain budget manager. Did we do this?
No, sir.
Let me check. Yeah, this we do. Did we do this?
No.
No.
Yes, now we have done it, right?
Yes, sir, we are done at step 3.
That is step number
3.
maintain budget manager. Okay, fine. Then no problem. We will start. So now this is the username to which email will be sent. Okay, once it is crossing 90%. So now I am going to FB50. You see what will happen.
Post.
Yeah, I'm posting the expenditure. No? So now I am posting some expenditure like rent for the auditorium. Okay. So not rent for the auditorium. Now new sales office. No? What is it?
Site value.
Wages.
Yeah, wages.
Lease amount.
Anything. Wages. Yeah. So debit. How much? I am saying, say it is 6 lakhs. Correct. So now tell me, will it affect our limits or not?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Right? No problem, no?
60%.
So what I should give? Which object I should give here?
Internal order.
Internal order.
Which internal order? Real internal order of
NEWSO.
correct. This is the one. Correct. Okay. Do you like this? Okay. Now we are posting to this particular order. No? Okay. Save. Done. Correct. Good. Okay, next. So now next, so it did not stop me. Okay, next I am going further. Now imagine it is like 4 lakh one again and debit, and I am posting another 2 lakhs. Correct. So you tell me what should happen.
Give you a warning.
Warning.
Because it is crossing
70%.
70%. Correct. Yeah, 70% is 7 lakhs. Correct. So you can see my order I am giving. Which is what is my order name?
TNEWSO.
NEWS.
Correct? Yes. Okay, now. Okay, so now what I'm expecting, a warning should come, right? You see now when I'm saving a post, you see yellow warning. Can you see at the bottom?
Yes, sir.
So assigned funds are 2 lakhs less than the total budget. So I say there it is saying you have already spent 8 lakhs, only 2 lakhs is left now. Is it correct? Yeah. Okay, so already 6 plus 2, 8 is spent now. How much is left now? 2 lakhs is left. So it is saying this is the amount that is left. So be careful, it is saying. So every time you are posting, you will get the warning like this. Next, once it crosses 90%, what should happen?
Warning with the email.
Warning plus email, na?
You can give insurance.
Anything. Debit. Not telling.
1.5.
Sir, insurance is exemption, sir.
Exempted, na? Correct. How can I give exemption? No, I'm giving the date. Rent I am giving, okay.
నువ్వైతే ప్రశాంతంగా రా బాబు మా చూతో అయితే तू कार सर बाधा पड़े
Background noise, please.
क्लास मगा केरो अंते तोन का एकदा लागस तो प्रेशर का होंदा का डगरा
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, we will get email. We have to give email, sir.
Yeah, I will show you now. Just now. Wait. So if I give 1,50,000, what will happen?
Warning plus email.
Warning plus email, na? More than 90%, right? More than 90% or not? Already 8 lakhs posted, na?
Yes, sir.
So now here I am giving the order, same order, right? Okay, good. So now here I should get warning and email both, correct? You see, I got the warning. Okay,
Yes, sir.
enter. So now email also I will get, you see now. So how much funds is left now in the budget?
50,000.
50,000.
You see now what it is. You see here, this is the workplace we call it, right? SAP Business Workplace. So when you go here, you can see your emails also, your user wise email you can see. So what is my inbox saying? My unread documents. So this is the new, na? You see TNUSO.
Yes, sir.
I have to open it. So when I open it, what it is saying? The assigned funds are
50,000 less than the budget.
understood. So already out of 10 lakhs, you spend 950. Only 50,000 is left. Is it clear? So your availability controls, are they working or not?
Working, sir. Working.
Yes, sir.
So if I go to FB50 and if I give another 1 lakh here, suppose, now tell me.
Error will come.
Correct? 1 lakh. Okay. Post. Now what I should get? Error, na? Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
can I post now?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Got it? That is. So understood now, are the availability limits working or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So it will take the real internal order data into consideration and it will post like this.
Okay, sir.
Imagine I want to post 50,000. Will it allow or not?
No.
It will allow, sir.
It will allow, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
TNEWS.
Because it is not crossing 100%, na? So it will allow. Yellow warning and email also, both you will get. So what is my total expenditure now? Where I can see KOB1. Correct? New sales officer. Here I can see. The total, how much I spend now?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
10 lakh.
Correct? Right now. So
Why
now
did
can
it allow 50,000 last? I didn't understand that.
because we did not cross 10 lakhs now. We are total budget is 10 lakh. We did not cross.
Sir,
Yes.
after budget is completed, what we do, what we make any post? Sir?
I will show you. So now here I am posting 1 rupee. Okay. Will it allow or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Only 1 rupee.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 rupee.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us. Okay. First. Sorry. Correct? You understood? So once it's crossed 10 lakhs, it will not allow. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what about my expense exempt then? Exempt.
It will allow, sir.
Insurance.
Exempt, what is it? Insurance, na? 4002. Debit. Now suppose insurance I have 30,000 insurance I have. Correct. You see now what will happen. Okay, let me see whether insurance it will allow or not. Correct? Let's see. Allowed? Previously 1
Yes, sir.
rupee also it was not allowing. Now it is allowed, no?
Yes, sir.
Because
That
it
is
is
exempt.
exempted expense.
It is exempted, right? It will not stop. So if you go to KOB1, you can see how much is my order, how much we have spent now.
10
10
lakh.
lakh 30,000.
Yeah, that was because of the exempted cost element.
Yes.
Clear, everybody?
Sir, can we
Now-
increase the budget if it really requires?
Yeah, that is again, it should go to the approval of the top management. Again, the order budget has to be changed. Correct? Until and unless that clearance is come, it will not be allowed. Yeah, again, you can go here, you can change the budget here. Like this. If these figures are changed, then it will change. Okay?
Till we get the permission, we have to wait, sir.
Not you, user.
Okay, okay.
Correct?
Yes.
Understood, everybody? So real internal order in combination with what?
Capital budgeting and availability control.
How these two things are working, right? Imagine real orders are not there. Can you use this concept? You are not able to collect the cost. Can you use capital budgeting and availability limits?
No.
That's because we have a real order. This is possible now. Okay. Right. So the next thing this is about the internal order, statistical and real, and capital budgeting and availability control. Okay. So the next topic that we have is the profit center accounting. Okay. So cost center we have seen, now profit center.
And what
That
about
I need.
WBS?
WBS is work-based structure. That is only when you are having the project module. Na? If your company is something that is using projects concept, then if you have project systems implemented in your system, then you can use WBS. Okay, otherwise not required.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now profit center accounting I will start tomorrow. Okay, guys. Yeah, we'll start fresh. Right? We have only 10 minutes left now. So important concept, profit center. So that I will start tomorrow, same time. Yeah, 7 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
And I will say, don't worry about your CVs. You get your sample from them, and I will send them today. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
Sir, settlement not yet done, sir, in internal order.
Settlement, that is common. Na? If you settle 100%, we have given na order.
Yes, sir.
That will go to your S100.
Sir, I have a doubt. And we are giving settlement in cost center S100. It's a capital expenditure, na, sir?
S100. Yeah.
Yes. S100 is a regular revenue department. Regular one, na, sir? So capital expenditure we need to
actually
settlement in different accounts.
If you want to capitalize this expenditure, what you can do is in your order type, when you have to create a new order type, and in the order type, what you have to do, even you are here. Okay, let me show you. You are creating this allocation structure, na?
Yes, sir.
Here. So here, internal order. Where is it? Is actual postings. Settlement. Settlement. Here, maintain allocation structures, na? Here, what you have done, here, when I am giving here, we have done a TE, correct?
Yes, sir.
TE, select this, click on the source. Okay, sorry, assignments. Select this source. I am giving, now here settlement, what I have given, cost center I have given. Na?
Yes, sir.
So you have to create another allocation structure where you will not give receiver as cost center. You will give as fixed asset.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Understood,
So whether
sir.
you want, if it is a finished good, then go to finished good GL account. If it is asset, you have to go to asset. So then you create asset, settle to the asset.
And it will go to asset account again, right?
Yes, exactly. Correct. So that's why we have the receiver categories. Okay. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah. So thank you, guys. We will meet tomorrow 7 p.m. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
In real internal orders, we gave all the GL account numbers. Instead of that, we can create a group for annual day expenses, and we can do like that also. No?
Cost center group.
Cost center. Yes, sir.
Cost elements.
Cost element group.
So rent, cost element.
Wages, insurance.
Think about it. Yeah. Think logically. You will know what is the problem. Yeah? So rent, wages, you are adding. What you will get? So all the F100, H100, P100 rent also you are adding. What is the, how we will get the annual day expenditure there?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You understood?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so that is only to add the cost elements, not for the annual day, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay, right then. Good thinking. You have to think like that. Okay, you will know the logic. So now we will meet tomorrow 7 p.m. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good night.